There are lots of ways to generate money online, but not everything appears to be working. But that's okay, maybe you're just not on the right track and you may have missed out on the ways to correctly do it. We know more because you are at the right place. What you're about to watch might change you financially. But before we go further, welcome to my channel where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use this website creativelive.com to start generating anywhere from $500 to $1,000 in passive income. If you're wondering, Creative Live is a company that provides various trainings and workshops. Now if I go to the classes area right here, you can see that there are a lot of various types of classes, such as business photography and Adobe cameras, which fall under art and design. They have various drawing classes, branding, design, and many more. On this website, customers may purchase a variety of lessons. Don't get me wrong, this is a completely free solution that requires no financial investment. And it's completely free. But in general, what we'll do is direct others to our website and advertise it as a place to buy and sell different courses provided by different skilled teachers. This is a completely legitimate opportunity and website that may benefit a large number of people. It's a win-win scenario, since you can earn a lot of money online by referring others to all of these specialized classes. Not only that individuals may have a great time while learning a lot of things on this website. So once you get to this website's homepage, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom right and search for this category over here, Join Us, and you want to see here, Become an Affiliate. And then I want you to click on this link. It will then send you to this website where you can learn about the affiliate program and how you can make money by connecting your audience to better content. There are lots of reasons to love and enjoy creativelive.com. One of these reasons is that they give you a huge 30% income share. 30% is a lot of commission in the internet world, and they do provide a vast range of different classes and courses that you may advertise, making it quite flexible and providing several earning potential. Furthermore, the second reason I enjoyed the affiliate program is that your affiliate links will be tracked for a period of 30 days. Now, after you sign up for a free account with their affiliate network, you may begin obtaining your unique affiliate links and advertising them in order to earn commissions. Aside from that, you may receive money on all purchases made by your referred consumer within 30 days after the original click, in addition to the first 30%. Make sure you don't miss out on all the details as I walk you through everything step by step. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's assume you're offering these programs right here, such as Foundations of Photography, and you can see that the pricing is actually $30. From there, we may make a 30% profit on the first $30 that is in fact your first front-end commission. Furthermore, if your recommended consumers decide to purchase, for example, this course Adobe Photoshop, or they decide to purchase other different courses, such as in the music and audio category, or they may just go on to purchase any other different courses within 30 days, you may still get paid. That's just crazy, right? Based on my own experience and observations, many customers return to our website and make additional purchases after enjoying and learning a lot from the quality of the training. Right now, they're offering a large discount, which you can see here. It's a New Year Savings limited time offer, and you can only get 50% off the Creator Pass today. So right now is your best opportunity to promote different causes on creativelive.com because they're running a huge discount. Keep watching because towards the end of the video, I'll show you a couple of ways to create free traffic by getting free visitors to click on your affiliate links, which will result in a lot of people purchasing these courses through your link, and you'll be the one making a lot of money. Therefore, remain focused and keep your eyes open. And one piece of good news that I'd like to share with you right now is that this website is presenting a global opportunity, which means that it doesn't matter where you are in the world. All you have to do to join the affiliate program, which is completely free, is click on the sign up button. From there, you'll get to this page. Now from here, you may go down and read additional information about the affiliate program, which is basically just about to speak about 30% on the front end and a 30-day monitoring cookie. So when you get to the bottom of this page, you can simply type in your username, password, and country under this part. And then you can just type in your password and continue to complete your registration. Is actually rather straightforward. You can do it in just 5 minutes. So without further ado, let me show you some of the potential ratios available on the website. Now when you click on Courses and then All Classes, you'll be sent to this page where you can see that there are a total of 2,070 classes for which you may send free traffic to a certain online class. And here is where the next issue arises. What is even cooler is that you can actually send them to some free training and free courses and classes on this website. And if your customers or traffic people enjoy the free training, a lot of them will go on to purchase all of these online classes because they are running a huge discount. And a lot of people will love them and make a purchase and make a commission instantly. For example, I click on this class right here, Fundamentals of Photography. I can watch the video, see the real cost, look over all the specifics, including the pricing structure, and read a lot of feedback, consumer testimonials as well. Another popular category over here is Adobe Photoshop, which has a large number of customers who are eager to get these courses right now, and they begin to learn about photo editing. And I've shown you a variety of free traffic techniques for getting people to buy from your affiliate links. Now, Twitter is a really effective approach to gain free visitors and earn a lot of money. All you have to do is go to twitter.com and sign up for a free account. Now Twitter basically works like social media. A lot of people come over here to ask a lot of questions, and they can get a lot of targeted traffic from people who are looking to learn Adobe Photoshop. So for example, when you go over, just type in a keyword how to use Adobe Photoshop, then click on the search button down below. You can find a lot of people there asking this question. How can I learn Adobe Photoshop? How to use Adobe Photoshop. For example, there's this person right here. How to use Adobe Photoshop. I just spent $60 without using this app, right? There are a lot of people, a lot of demand, and guess what? All of them, they're super targeted traffic. And you don't have to spend any money right here to get a lot of commission from this strategy. Another well-known website, Quora, is generating a lot of visitors, referrals, and commissions as well. It works similarly with our Twitter strategy. You can go ahead and search on Quora. Go to the search bar where you can put in certain phrases such as how to be more productive, since they actually do provide these kinds of classes on creativelive.com. Self-improvement, entrepreneurship, photography, money, and finances are just a few examples. And the trick is to cast a wide net in order to catch a variety of fish. You may, for example, use Twitter to promote various Photoshop tutorials and camera instructions. Or you can just go to Quora and identify targeted individuals in the financial and self-improvement categories. By doing so, you may broaden your horizons and target a wider range of people. Most people are interested in graphics and design, and you may easily encourage them to take different classes. You may see your graphic design, logo design, and other work under the art and design area. Furthermore, the income potential ratio is limitless. It was available for all people all around the world. It's completely free, and there are several categories or classes to choose from. I hope you find this video helpful. And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.